Oh my god, this is beautiful. Hi, what's up to you guys? Welcome to YouTube channel Top of the Shoe. Today I'm so happy and so proud to show you this beautiful Big Bear Sesame Street Curry 9 colorway. And this is not the only thing. Today we're gonna compare this one with the Curry 8 yellow colorway. Okay, stay tuned to the end of the video. Remember, if you want to see an unboxing, please leave it in the comment section. Okay, the first time that I put my hands on these sneakers, I was really impressed. The brightness of the colorways, the yellow, the pink one combined with the orange one, they really made a great and good job in this colorway. I really love them. They look like fire.
I like it a lot.
Okay, look at this. This, guys, is the part of the sneaker that has the best quality. Do you remember the Adidas Ultra Boost 2090? They were like this kind of materials in the part of the toe, on the part of the top of the sneaker. They feel like that. In the part of the tongue, we can appreciate like in the feather of the Big Bird character. It really feels so awesome to touch it. You're gonna realize it if you buy these sneakers. They are so freaking awesome. They are so dope. They are so fire for me. They are really nice. Quality on the outsole is really nice. I think for the price they can give us a much better quality. It's not the best quality. And we have here the four pairs that are coming, the Cookie Monster and the Elmo ones. I really love Elmo. I really love the paper tissue that is coming with the box. It's really nice. The Sesame Street logo and the Curry logo here are pretty awesome.
I like it a lot.
Trying to compare the Curry 9 with the Curry 8. First, for the outsole, by the outsole, you can see the difference between the outsoles. This one, they have like a division on the plate, in the part of the outsole. I think this is so much way better than this one. The plate is already here, only here, and the outsole is more comfortable to walk in these ones. Okay, so they made really an upgrade with these ones, the Curry 9.
The combination of colors are really so bright. It keeps your eye the attention of anyone on the streets.
For the designs of the shoe, I think they are so much better. These ones, they are so beautiful. They really made an upgrade. These ones were really awesome They made a great design with the shoe. The season fit colorways, they are really nice. They are coming a lot of colorways. Let me show you the stickers. Just wait a second, please.
2 a.m.
They are here. They are coming. These 4 colorways are coming. We already have the big bird. We have the content already. I'm gonna show you on the next video. And they are coming the cookies, monster, and the Elmo. They are really so awesome. I don't know why they are not coming. Here not coming the Oscar the Grouch. I think it's missing Oscar the Grouch and the stickers. But I think they are the next colorway to release.
These pretty ladies are really nice on fit. They are so soft.
For the price, I think they can give us so much better materials. It's 160. Come on, man. The end, I think it's so much better. The Curry 9s, they are more comfy. At the end, the responsiveness, I think, is so much better. The traction is much better too, thanks to the plate that is put it on the outsole.
And in these pictures between the Curry 8 and the Curry 9, Curry 8 has the superior part, has the Under Armour interlinked, soft and breathable with different synthetic parts. And in the Curry 9 we can see like a mesh of textile materials that looks so more soft and more breathable, more than the Curry 8. We can see the difference in the part of the heel too. We can see like a tag, an attached tag, and here in the Curry 8 and in the Curry 9 they eliminated, they don't put that tag anymore in the part of the heel. I think they are more awesome, the Curry 9 too. But let me say this, the Curry 8 was more easy to put on. That's the only point.
Let's go to the fit review.
They are really comfortable sneaker. I will give them a 9.5 out of 10, okay? Let's talk about the sizing, guys. For me, I am an 11 US, so I get the 11 US and I'm really so happy with the sizing, okay? So goes through the side, okay?
So nice, and stay tuned because in the next video we're gonna see this one versus that counted colorway. So thank you guys, that was all for today on top of the shoe. Please let me know in the comment section if you love this colorway, okay? Let me know what are your thoughts between the Curry 8 and the Curry 9. So if you like the video, please click the like button. It's gonna help me to grow my channel a lot, okay? Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Turn on the notification bell. Remember, if you want to see a sneaker, please leave it in the comment section. So from the bottom of the heart of top of the shoe channel, thank you. Until next time, guys.